Hi friends, in the last session we have started that list concept, right? So we have started list concept and we observed that how many ways we can create an empty list, right? And in the next session we have observed that accessing elements, okay, accessing elements by using indexing and with respect to slicing we observed, right? These two concepts we observed in the part of last session, right? So today we are going to discuss about how many ways we can create a list. Okay, in the last session we observed that how many ways create an empty list by using, this is the first one and this is the second one. So now we have to observe how many ways we can create an list. Okay, how many ways we can create an list. How many ways we can create, how many ways we can create a list. See, how many ways we can create a list means first way. So, so make sure in the last session, first I have explained how to create an empty list. Okay, now I am explaining how to create a list. Okay, observe carefully every point. First, by using with the dynamic input data. Okay, with the dynamic input data. With the dynamic input data. Dynamic input data. How can we give the dynamic data, right? So observe now the output program first. So what I'm doing is list. Okay, ls is equal to, I'm taking input of enter list. See, if I'm going to take the data in this format, so it is going to complete be in the form of string only. Okay, observe ls and the next one is a print type of ls and type of ls. Observe now the output first. I'm giving in the form of list 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, I have given list, but observe it is considered as a string. Okay, it is considered as a string. So in the last session somewhere I have explained that evolve function. Okay, make sure if you didn't remember, go to the previous sessions one more time where I have explained the evolve function. Okay, so evolve function is going to evaluate the expression there where I have explained with respect to input and output statements in the third video. Okay, input statements part 3 I have explained that evolve function is going to evaluate the expression. Okay, eval function is going to evaluate the expression. So now in this case what we are observing, what we are observing, output is nothing but observe 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so if I'm giving in this way, it is considering as a string. But make sure I am giving evolve function. Okay, I'm giving evolve of evolve of list. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If you observe here, the output is got changed. Okay, the output got changed. So this is the first way of creating a list. Okay, this is the first way of creating a list. This is example 1, not list. Example list. Okay, so the second way. Now observe the second way. Now what is the second way? So the second way is when by using list function. When by using a list function. Observe by using list function. By using a list function. How by using list function means ls is equal to list function. Okay, list is the typecast function we observed right in the starting. L is equal to list of range of range of range of 10. Okay, L is equal to list of range of 10. So next what I am doing, print ls and print type of ls. Okay, observe the output. So it is creating list and type is list. Clear, right? This is the thing we have to know. So I'm explaining the way of creating a list. Okay, completed the first way and this is the second way. Okay, this is the first way and this is the second way. So now the third way. Okay, now observe the third way. I will give you one more example then. Here example 1, example 1, here example 2, example 1, example 2. Here what I am doing, here what I am doing means here I am taking s is equal to Sai Kumar. S is equal to Sai Kumar. First, here what I am doing, I am printing. Just for design purpose, I am taking star into 20. Okay, so S is equal to Sai Kumar, print type of S. Now observe here what I am doing here. I am converting this string to list. I am converting now this string to list. So now observe the output carefully. First attempt I'm giving string, it is type of string. After converting, every character converted into string. Every character converted into string and total it is of what type? List type. Okay, total it is of what type? List type. So the third way. Okay, the way of creating element in third way. So how we can create by using list by using third way means by using a split function, by using split function. Okay, if you observed in the last session of a string split function, okay, there I have explained that with the split function. There I have explained the split function. How it will convert means suppose here I'm taking first I'm taking s is equal to Mr. Sai Kumar Valabojo, Python certified. Mr. Sai Kumar Valabojo, Python certified. Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft Python certified associate. So here what I am doing is L is equal to S dot split. Okay, L is equal to S dot split. Next, now observe L. Next, when print type of L. See, observe one point here. I'm taking a string. So I'm taking a string means if you check what is this type of S, make sure string. Okay, you are taking string. If you check what is the type of S means it is going to be a string type. Once it is converted splitter, so everyone, okay, Mr. Sai Kumar Valaboju, Sai Kumar Valaboju, Microsoft, so every word it's going to consider as a string and it is total of list type, okay. But here we are not giving any parameter means by default it is going to consider as a space, okay. By default it is going to consider as a space, right? Now observe after converting what is the result and what is the type. Okay. Now observe the output. If you observe, so every word is converted with respect to space. Okay, with respect to space. Suppose I want to give one parameter means whatever you want to give, but here just I'm giving hyphen. Okay, I'm giving hyphen. Only hyphen I'm giving means this is one word, this is one string and this is one string and this total of one string, okay, this total of one string. Observe the output. Okay, observe the output carefully. If you observe here, up to here everyone converted, every string converted, okay, but here this total converted into one string because first three are represented separated by hyphen, but these are not separated by hyphen. So that's why it is considered as a total one string, right? See, first try to understand the concepts. So then only you can write the programs. Okay, then only you can write the programs. See, if you are concentrating one thing, so better to concentrate only one faculty. Okay, the subject will inject in depth. Okay, so this is the third way, right? How many ways we can create a list means by using first one is by using with the dynamic input data. So dynamic input data means we have to provide a eval function. Next, using list function. Okay, by using list function. This is if you are giving data types means collection related data types. This is the way. Okay, if you are giving string means this is the way. Okay, this is the way. And by using third way means by using a split function. Split function, already you know the split function, right? Split function is going to split strings based on provided parameter. If parameter is not provided, if parameter is not provided, default is space. Default is space. Okay. Next point. Okay. Next point means after converting split function, return type split function return type is a list. Okay, after converting it is convert return type is a list. So by using this ways we can create an empty list. Okay, so in the next session I'm going to start, just I'm going to give one more time awareness on accessing elements of a list. Okay, anyway I have covered as part of here only, but just I will give small awareness here. And the next I'm going to start about list versus mutability. Okay, list versus mutability concept. Next after that, traversing the elements of a list. Okay, thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, so please post your query in the comment section or reach out to my email id in the given description. Thanks friends, thank you for watching this video.